The Altar de Muertos is one of the most important celebrations that is being held at School Octavio Path in Barcelona. The school tries to give a pedagogical approach to this Mexican celebration by covering different aspects.
One of these aspects is the cultural aspect because we pay tribute to someone that in Catalan life that can become a reference for our students. That person usually is one person that has passed away throughout the school year. We try to cover social aspect by including everyone in our school community and all of the people here at school, teachers, families, students work together in the preparation of this altar de muertos and in the previous weeks.
Before building the altar, the school prepares some activities. In the previous weeks, the school invites relatives and friends of the honored person to meet the students and talk with them. They also contact some people who share interests or the same profession, and the school prepares some activities to learn more about this inspiring person and his or her importance.
Then, once they come to school, our students ask them a lot of questions in order to prepare to have ready the altar according to the tastes of that honored person.
During 1 week, journalists, scientists, and other people visit the school, and when the children get to know the life of the honored person, then they start building an altar de muertos with pictures of that person, his or her favorite colors and food, and personal objects. The school also prepares an opening ceremony. The ceremony is held at the school theater, and teachers, families, and children work together to explain to the audience the life of that person. Finally, once the performance is over, everybody goes to the altar. They light some candles, and they inaugurate the altar for the rest of the school community.
Well, the impact of our series is huge. So far, we have dedicated that altar to journalists, scientists, educators, sportsmen, and they are always an inspired person that our students learn from. So when we get to know the life of that person, our students can work in a very big way so different aspects of that person. It's a very enriching experience, and it also brings together the cultural aspect of the altar and the cultural aspect of the person that is the main person in the altar. We try to make our students understand the meaning and the acceptance of death through this altar. And we also include in our educational project the cultural diversity, so they can get familiar with different environments and different cultures. Me gustas mucho tú, adiós de